Was about to go into the hotel, but saw an amazing view and thought I'd make a video of it. Look at this clock tower right there in the clouds. Beautiful weather. Yeah, now we don't have to think about hairstyles and anything. We look.
Once you do it.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Long time no see. It's not long for you, but it's long for me. Well, that's another story I'll tell. Probably will tell later. But notice anything different? Ta-da! I'm bald. Yes, I unfortunately couldn't record me going bald, which is really unfortunate. I really wanted to record that. But well, that's just life, it is how it is. Also, I wanted to do a before and after of me and Wali Bhai, of our bald heads.
Exactly.
Of our shaved bald heads.
This is the second day with this look.
Yeah,
Okay?
second day.
So we basically after Umrah. So when was it? Like Sunday afternoon. Okay,
Yeah.
and now it's Monday like night.
Yeah, I couldn't record before
Tuesday,
because
start of Tuesday.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is how we look now. I think it's
It's coming back. I think the hair is a bit
yeah.
is coming back.
Yeah, at least yours is showing better because it's like dark.
Yeah,
Mine
exactly.
shows a bit too.
Yeah, a bit.
So,
It
yeah.
looks good. I don't think it looks bad.
No, no.
Hopefully the people watching
I mean,
think
now
so
I
too.
don't have to be stressed. Like if I have to do it again, so
Yeah, now we don't have to think about hairstyles and anything. We look.
Once you do it, it's easier to do next time.
Yeah, exactly. Inshallah, when we do Umrah next time, it won't be as
No,
scary.
exactly.
We just came from Masjid al-Haram today. You can see all the people leaving. We just prayed Fajr namaz. Today was a odd day in Ramadan, so we prayed an important prayer, the hajj.
21st.
Yeah, 20. It was super long, but an amazing experience all around. It was an like very different prayer, I would say. The imam in the end, he was praying, like making dua, and that was such an incredible experience, so powerful, and yeah, it was beautiful, really. Okay, I need to cross the road. Bye. Today is the 4th night of our whole trip. The last time I recorded was in the taxi, which was day 2, I believe. You might be wondering what happened to the previous 2 days. Basically, long story short, I lost my phone in that same taxi I recorded. Where I was sitting, I left the phone. And Alhamdulillah, somehow, I have no idea how, but we managed to find our phone. We managed to locate the guy, the taxi driver, and he, in his goodwill, I mean, wow, like seriously, who does that these days? I guess that's the beauty of Islam, And yeah, he gave me my phone. Don't worry, I gave him some I don't know what to call it. Like something, can't be, it's like a thanks. Okay, I gave him some money, extra thanks. Yeah, and in short, that's why I couldn't record. Drinking tea. You can see the clock tower right behind me. It's really hot. It's for this weather. Don't recommend it. Would recommend ice cream rather than tea. We are now heading for the bus, so we can finally rest in peace. Not the dead kind, the actual resting kind. Was about to go into the hotel, but saw an amazing view and thought I'd, make a video of it. Look at this clock tower right there in the clouds. Beautiful weather and mountains. Okay, see you. Bye. That'll be it for this video. This is part 3, I believe, of the India trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and do all the, important stuff. And yeah, that'll be it for now. Look forward to part 4 and Allah Hafiz.